Now we're going to talk about characteristics of formative and summative assessments from this article we found called Formative and Summative Assessments in the Classroom by Dixon and Worrell. When it comes to formative assessments, this is where we get to improve our teaching and the learning of our students. It's going to be ongoing, so it's going to begin from day one of our unit up until we're ready to test to see their mastery. This is where we're going to ask what is working in my lesson and where do I need to improve for students to learn mastery. This comes from observations in the classroom. We can walk around and listen to the conversations that they're having, or just observe if they're working on the work in class or if they're just sitting there with their head on their desk. We can also do this by homework, where they get to take it home and they do independent work and come back the next day and we can go over it in class, and they get to self-evaluate how they did at home and then reflect on where they need to go. On the other end of formative assessments, we have summative assessments, where we evaluate the learning outcomes of mastery of the students. This is after all of our instruction has occurred. So once we've finished teaching, we have the summative assessment. We ask ourselves, do the students understand the material? And if they're prepared to go on to the next level or the next unit. We can do this in the form of projects, unit exams. This is where our standardized testing comes into play.